I am very happy when you are near. They are ready to help with your work. We are in the house with our dog. I have a red book and a pen. You have good friends who help you often. She has 2 big dogs in her house. I do my work early in the morning. They do all the housework each day. I go to the park with my family. He goes to school by foot every morning. I make dinner with my mom every night. She makes a big cake for my party. I eat rice and fish for my lunch. He eats eggs and bread in the morning. I drink water before and after my run. You drink coffee at your desk each day. I see people walk past my front door. We see birds in the trees every day. I hear music come from the other room. You hear the dog bark very late tonight. They go to sleep when the sun sets.